NordVPN coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on NordVPN coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser to get started. With all kinds of nifty, cutting-edge technology, NordVPN keeps your devices malware-free and your browsing safe from strangers' eye. So now, in the search bar, search for cutt.ly/latest-NordVPN-deal. With this particular link, you can grab up to 72% discount off on NordVPN Plus and a Saily eSIM data gift. Simply tap on the Get the Deal button and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the deal that suits your requirement the best and log in further to claim your off. So, this was about NordVPN coupon code. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.